Should you buy the insurance from rental car companies? So if I've heard this question once, I've heard it more than a dozen times. Should you buy that insurance at the rental car counter? It's a strong sell. You get up to the counter and they really want you to buy that insurance from them. What do you have to consider to know, hey, does my policy that I currently have cover that? Or is it something that I would need to buy from them? Let's talk about 3 things that you need to consider. Number 1, you don't have any insurance for time out of service. And what I mean by that is your personal insurance policy will not cover you or pay damages to the rental car company should you have to pay for the time that that vehicle is out of their service because of damage that you caused. So what's the example? You're going to Disney World. You're in your vehicle, everybody's packed up, ready to go, and you hit an alligator on the side of the road. That alligator causes damage to the vehicle, bends the frame, and they have to go through and fix that vehicle, all while they're losing the ability to rent that vehicle back to another paying customer. They're gonna charge you back for that time out of service. Usually it's the daily rental fee plus. So keep in mind, your current insurance policy does not often cover that time out of service. Number 2, your policy often does not give you coverage for depreciated value. Just like in our first example, if you are the cause of damage to the vehicle, the rental car company makes its money off renting that vehicle over and over again. Well, if you have depreciated the value of that asset, that vehicle, because of an accident or something you did to the vehicle that caused it, they do have recourse in that agreement to basically charge you back for what the depreciated value is. Oftentimes, your insurance policy does not cover that. Number 3, how many claims do you already have on your auto insurance policy? The reason this would matter is this. If you are driving that rental car and you have an accident and you file that claim on your insurance policy, you're going to be surcharged just like as if it were your vehicle. So again, this is sort of a thing to consider. How much risk do you want to take? How much do you want to rely on your policy to cover versus that rental car company? If you have claims that have stacked up and you're driving a vehicle in a foreign place, in a different place, you don't know the roads, you don't know where you're headed, you might run into an alligator, whatever it is, that is something you should consider and think, hey, maybe I should go ahead and just buy this insurance at the rental car company so I make sure I don't have any issues if I do have a problem on the road. So I hope that these points help you understand why it is that I recommend that you actually purchase the insurance from the rental car company. I know that's against the grain. There's a lot of insurance professionals that very correctly will tell you where your policy will cover you if you do have a problem with a rental vehicle. I'm not arguing any of that. However, what I am saying is there's a lot of really good reasons to go ahead, bite the bullet, pay for the insurance at the counter when you buy that rental car, and you will be all set, drop the keys and go if there's a problem. On behalf of all of us here at Callahan and Rice Insurance Group, thanks for watching.